Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can unarchive a list in Trello, so let's get right into it. Now, I'm going to be using this list as an example, so let's just archive this list really quickly, and as you can see, it is completely gone from my board. Now, here, once you've done this, what you're going to need to do is go over into the archive by clicking on these three dots in the top right and clicking archived items. And as you can see, the list is empty because we're in the card view. What you're going to want to do is click switch to lists. Once we're here, as you can see, I have this to-do list over here, and I can click send to board to return it, and as you can see, it is fully returned. Now, as you can see, I'll archive this again. You cannot delete archived lists from the list. You can only send them back to the board. You could do this for cards. For example, if I make this card right here and I click here and click to archive, this card is now archived. And if I switch to cards, as you can see, I have the card here. I can send it to board or delete it. I'll just delete it for this example. But as you can see, that option is nowhere in the list view. You can only send it back to board by clicking this option. So don't be afraid of accidentally deleting your lists. If they're archived, they can always be restored. The only way to permanently delete them is to close the board, and that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.